If you have a problem with a PayPal transaction, like an unauthorized payment, not receiving an item, or receiving something different than expected, you can file a dispute with the seller. If you can't resolve the issue with the seller, you can escalate the dispute to a claim, and PayPal will make a decision, and here's how. Go ahead and log into their website or the app according to your choice. Then go to the Resolution Center. Then there, go to Activity, select the transaction, and select Report a problem. Now select the payment and click on Continue. Now choose a dispute reason that includes item not received, which means you paid but you didn't receive the item or service, and significantly not as described. The item you received is different, damaged, or missing parts. Another is unauthorized transaction. That means you didn't make the payment. And you need to go ahead and communicate with the seller. So PayPal will open a dispute case where you and the seller can message each other. Try to resolve the problem directly with the seller during this stage and escalate to a claim if necessary. If you can't reach a resolution within 20 days, click on Escalate to PayPal, and PayPal will review the case and make a decision, usually within 30 days. Remember that you must open a dispute within 180 days of the transaction, and keep in mind that all the communication within the PayPal system is for your protection. So if PayPal decides in your favor, you'll receive a refund to your PayPal balance or original payment method. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.